People like to eat meat. Unfortunately, these days, the vast majority of meat on sale comes from highly specialized concentrated animal feeding operations, or what critics call factory farms. Both names indicate the methods fairly accurately. This controversial and popular method of animal husbandry involves the scientific approach to producing the maximum quantities of safe meat from the minimum quantities of food, water, land power, and time. Perhaps the problem is the time. Animals are born and raised in boxes with no room to move, and are kept sanitary by medication because they must relieve themselves in place.
夏で差をつける夏季講習も枠に限りがありますので、お問い合わせは各スクールへお早めに。
Problems with this method include the creation of bacteria which can resist antibiotics and may spread to people, setting back medicine significantly and making even small injuries incredibly dangerous if infected. Nobody wants the threat of amputation looming over every paper cut. It also turns out that maximizing efficiency when feeding animals does little to cut down on the amount of feed required if the number of animals is also maximized. Each animal eats less, but there are so many more of them. The stress on the animals affects the taste, and the numbers of chemicals leach into the soil and cause strange side effects in the afflicted population.